Now we try to discuss about what you mean by advance tax under Income Tax Act. Advance tax is a tax collection method in the income tax system. In income tax system, there are various type of methods is there to collect the tax from the assessee. Out of this, advance tax is one of the method to collect tax from the assessee. It is a tax collection in advance. The name itself it is mentioned that advance tax means the collection of tax in advance. Usually, tax are collected after the period of the previous year and the tax payment also after the previous year. In normal scenario, what happened? The tax was collected after the finishing of the previous year and its assessment also happening after the previous year. But in advance tax method, partial tax will collect during the same previous year according to the approximation of the taxable income. According to the approximation or estimation of the taxable income of an assessee, in advance tax, the government collect the tax in the financial year or the previous year or the same current previous year itself. That is it's termed as advance tax because in this advance tax the government not waiting until finishing the assessment during the same previous year. For example, in 2021 we earned some income in advance tax method. We don't want to wait until its assessment in 2022 because in 2021 we earned the income in advance tax. Partial amount of tax amount we record to pay to the government in 2021 itself. Don't want to wait in 2022 until our finishing our assessment. So it is termed as advance tax. The tax is collected in the same financial year or same previous year. Advance tax is otherwise known as pay as you earn scheme. Pay as you earn scheme means in the year itself when we are earning the income, we record to pay the tax to the government. This is the short introduction of advance tax.